Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use the text generation toolkit in your Unity projects. This video is specifically going to cover getting an OpenAI key. To get one, open up the plugins folder and then open up the text generation toolkit folder. Then open up the documentation file. Then click OpenAI account. Click that link right there. And then if you have an account, click login in the top right corner. If you do not have an account, click sign up. I'm going to click login because I have an account. Now that you're logged in, click the personalize button in the top right corner and then click view API keys. And then click create new secret key. Copy this key and then head back over to Unity. And then open up the editor folder and then open up keys. And then paste your OpenAI key into the OpenAI key variable. This will only work for in-editor usage. This will not be compiled into the build. So if you want to learn how to get it to work in the build, I have a video on that and link is in the description. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. And if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section or on my Discord server. And I'll see you guys next time.